Mathematics has been a fascinating subject for me, and it is one of the most fantastic subjects because of which I am at this position in my life or career. But I had seen many people who will get frightened with the name of mathematics, not only in India. I had seen a number of surveys in many countries, starting from North America, Europe, and all the developed countries. Many surveys have shown that among the high school grads, maths is the most deadening subject, which they hated, always maths taught. Why is this so? There are many reasons. The kind of education system, the kind it have been taught to them when they are youngsters, and there are so many reasons. But I decided that I have to do something for this because, like my friend Drupad Patel, who was a chartered accountant, he said to me once, जो बंदा मैथ्स में अच्छा रहता है वो कोई सा भी फील्ड में अच्छा कर लेगा. It doesn't mean that if you're not good in maths, you will be failure. No. But if you're good in maths, the chances of you succeeding any field is very, very high. So I decided that I have to do something for this, and this is my journey. Hi, friends. I'm Ram Mohan, India's first professional mentor for maths teachers. After working for more than 17 and a half years in the corporate world as a chemical engineer in the Fortune 500 companies, I embarked on a different journey to do something for making the improvement of education in this country. And as a part of that, I am training students in different platforms, especially with respect to mathematics and other competitive exams. This is the initiative what I thought to give to all my dear students and who all would love to learn maths on the occasion of this teachers day. I have a vision to make this world full of maths enthusiasts. I'm working on a mission to make at least 1 million students enthusiastic about maths in the next 10 years. And this is the journey what we both will be taking together. And the magical math mornings with Ram sir, that's me, this initiative is going to help you to improve in mathematics, calculations, numbers, and it's going to help you to become like a super fast computer. If you continue the journey with me for the next 21 weeks, especially from morning, Monday to Friday, morning 7 to 7:15, just 15 minutes a day, instead of waking up in the morning and looking at your phone and scrolling, I recommend you to solve with me. You start the process of solving. How to make the best use of this session? Because the trainings, what you are going to find, it is the culmination of many great math minds. Be it be the Vedic maths, which was originated by Swami Bharati Krishna Swami Tirthaji, or the speed mathematics, which was initiated by Professor Trachtenberg, or the rapid math, which was started by Edward Julius and even Alt Benjamin, and there are many people, even the speed mathematics methods, which were initiated by Isaac Asimov, who is considered as the father of robotics. All these things I have been studying over the many number of years, and I will be using the best methods from that one to teach you. What you need to do first, find one maths buddy. He may be your close friend, he may be your sibling, like your brother or sister, or maybe your father or mother, whoever might be interested in maths. You find him. With him, you are going to share these learnings, or both of you attend together and then exchange the practice sessions. And it's like mathematics is also like working in the gym. If you want to make a perfect body, you want to have a six packs body, like Hrithik Roshan or Allu Arjun or many other stars that you see. Is it possible that you go to gym and work one day full morning to night and then you will get that body? No. If you work 24 hours like that, you will fall and you may not wake up for the next 3 4 days. Same thing is with respect to mathematics. The more you want to become, the fast you want to grow, the best you have to train. It is about practicing every day. If you practice every day, like the muscles, when you want to build your body, the brain muscles also will improve. The skill is going to get refined, and you people will become the best or the sharpest calculators that you had ever seen in your circle. So let's start this journey. And every day, whatever I say, instead of just listening and understanding that, okay, I got this, you need to practice this. It's just 15 minutes, make it a habit. And after the 15 minutes, throughout the day, wherever you find an opportunity to use this, you need to add this. Just let me help you with one small example. Just I will open this. Okay. Let me take one simple example. What I'm going to promise you in the next 10 minutes, you'll become faster than the calculator when it comes to multiplying any number with 11. Let's take, for example, 32 into 11. I'll directly write the answer as 352. Or if I take 26 into 11, you can write the answer directly as 286. How is this possible? How do we do normally when we want to multiply 32 into 11 means 11 twos are 22. 2 you will carry. 11 threes are 33 plus 2. What you will get it is 352. Isn't it? The same way you will get 286. But how do you do this in the faster way? First, you add these two numbers 3 plus 2. What is this? This is equal to 5. You write this number in the middle, and 3 which is there on the left, you write on the left, and 2 which is there on the right, you are going to write on the right. The answer is 352. Same way, 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 you are going to insert in between and you will write 286. Do you need pen and paper for this? I don't recommend you to do. If you want to note down, you can. But for practicing from the day one, I want you to practice with your brain. Because by the end of this course, I want you to become super fast like any other computer. No pen, no paper, sharp. By just in a fraction of a second, you should be calculating and tell this. Let's take one more example. 72 into 11. What is 7 plus 2? 9. 9 you are going to just insert in between and directly you will tell the answer is 792. If you take 45 into 11, what is 4 plus 5? 9. 9 is what you are going to use in between and you will write the answer as 495. But do we need pen and paper for this? Directly you can say this, correct? Now you may say, sir, you have been giving us the very simple examples. But there are cases when we add these two numbers, it may become more than 10 and you may have to carry over. Yes, wait, I'm coming for that. Let me explain that also. Let me take one example. Suppose you want to multiply 38 into 11. What do you get here? 3 plus 8, when you add, you are going to get 11. So, one you are going to take it here, but one you have to carry to the next number. But carrying can we do without pen and paper? Yes, easily it can be done because when you are taking a two-digit number, come whatever may, the carryover number will never be greater than 1. It is always 1. If at all it is carried. So what you will do, the number which is there on the units place is what you are going to remember, and then the number which is there here, for this you are just going to add 1. What is here? 3 plus 8 is 11. So you add 1 to this 3 within the mind and you take it as 4, and this one you just insert in the middle and you will tell the answer as 418. Let's take a little bigger number. 49 into 11. You know that 4 plus 9 is 13. What you will do? You consider one more than 4, that is 5. And 14, the one digit which is there in the units place, you are going to insert here. So 549. This is the answer. Shall we raise for some problems? Or you want me to give one example? Let me give you one more. If you want to multiply 76 into 11, what should come? 7 plus 6 is 13. Directly you take 8, and 3 is the one which we are inserting. So the answer is 839. Now you are all going to race with me. I will not consider this board. Let's try to calculate along with me. Okay. Maybe 1 second, 2 second, or 3 second. After I ask the question, I'm going to wait for couple of seconds before I reveal the answer. By the time I reveal the answer, you people should have calculated the one, and you can cross check with the answer what I have said. Okay, let's take this 35 into 11. Let's take 35 into 11. Yes, most of you are right. 3 plus 5 is 8. So the answer is 385. Let's take 44 into 11. 44 into 11. Do it along with me. Okay. Think in your mind. What is that? Yes, 4 plus 4 is 8. Just if you insert in between what you get, 484 is the answer. Let's take 37 into 11. Now you got the catch. Correct, no? When you add 3 plus 7, you're going to get 10. So we'll do as usual one addition, 4, and units place is 0. So 37 into 11 means 407. Is it correct? Yes. In case you have any doubts, you can put it in the chat so that I will explain to you. Okay. Let's take a little bigger number, 97 into 11. Calculate. Use the time. 97 into 11. The multiplication has become an addition now, correct? Just by simple addition, you will be able to tell this. Yes, you're right. 9 plus 7 is 16. But when you add 9 to 1, it will also become a two-digit number. So what you will consider? 1067. 1067. Correct? Any number you can do? Do it quickly. 83 into 11. 83 into 11. Yes, 913. You're right. Most of you would have got the catch here. Correct now? Let me recap once again. Whatever two digits numbers are given, just you add those two. Like for example, 36 into 11 means you are going to add 3 and 6. 3 and 6 is 9. You insert that one between these two numbers. 36 will become 396. 36 into 11 is 396. And just if the number is multiplied where the sum of the digits is coming more than 10, where you may have to carry, for example, 57 into 11, what you're going to do, you know that 5 plus 7 is 12, which is greater than 10. 1, whatever is carried, just in the mind, you try to add it to the first digit, which is there in the tens place. So 57 into 11 will become, automatically 5 will become 6, 2 will be there, 5 plus 7, 12 will come in the middle, and 7 will remain as it is. 57 into 11 means 627. Just you add one digit for the tens place, then insert the remaining digit middle and you tell the answer. What you are going to do? Now, you will share this, you will ask any of your friend when you go to school or when you go outside. I think today is the holiday on the occasion of Eid Milad. So what you do, you just, yes, I'm going to come to that one. The same thing we can extend it to 3 digits, 4 digits, 5 digits, or instead of 11, you can multiply with 111, 100,011 also. In the days to come, one by one, I'm going to explain to you. Okay, because today is the introductory session, just I wanted to give you a taste. There are many number of tricks and the methodologies that gradually you're going to learn. Okay, and I want you to ask your friend to tell any two-digit number, and you tell them that I will tell you within seconds. I will multiply by 11 and tell him. Let him take the calculator if he wants. If he is not very fast in maths, let him tell the two-digit number. You just before he presses the numbers in the calculator, you will tell the answer. Practice this, and with one more, the best trick, we are going to join in the next session. Remember, this session will be there every Monday from 7 to 7:15 in the morning, live in the same channel. In case you have not subscribed, just subscribe to the channel what you are watching now, Ram's Mathson. And I recommend that we should not be selfish, correct? No, we should be helping to many of our friends. Please share with all your friends so that together you people can grow. Like when it comes to working on the physical fitness, I gave the example of the gym, you remember that one. If you try to go for jogging alone, after 2 3 days you may feel little bit laziness, or maybe one day it is slightly raining, you will make the laziness, and gradually you will leave that. But the same thing, if you are having one more buddy, what you will do? When you are feeling lazy, he will wake you up and he will push you. Or if he is feeling lazy, you will push him and take it to him. So find one person, try to practice these tricks at least with one more person, one more friend, brother, sister, mother, father, whoever it might be. And definitely in the days to come, you will become like a sharp calculator. Okay, you should be doing very well in all the competitive exams, whether it comes to the beginning ones when you are youngs like Navodaya, Sainik School, Rashtriya Military Schools, and all, or for any of the board exams like 10th, 12th standard, where time is an important criteria, or if at all you are writing in the Olympiad exams, whichever is the board competitive exam that you take up throughout your life, whom all this is going to be helpful. Anybody who knows the basic calculations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, they will be able to learn all these tricks. Okay, and thank you very much for joining me live. And also, I would like to express my gratitude for the wishes all of you are showing me on this occasion of Teachers' Day. And this is my journey, my contribution I want to give to not only to you young students, to the entire community, to make them enthusiastic about maths. You know that maths is not boring. In Hindi, if you say maths में मजा है. Okay, see you in the next session. Thank you.